So you think you know lavender. It's pretty, it smells nice. Maybe you grow some by your walkway. But did you know it was once worth a Roman soldier's paycheck, and it takes 150 pounds of flowers just to make an ounce of oil? I'm Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm, and this is Lavender, 9 Wild Facts You Never Knew. First off, fact 1. Lavender is actually part of the mint family. Yep, your grandma's calming flower is a botanical cousin with mojito mint and spicy basil. Fact 2. In ancient Rome, a pound of lavender could cost a month's wages. Soldiers used it for wounds. The rich used it in their scented baths. Fact 3. Not all lavender smells the same. English lavender is sweet. French lavender smells medicinal. And Spanish, it's got that wild piney vibe. Fact 4. Lavender hates being pampered. No fertilizer, no soggy soil. Give it sunshine and let it struggle. It loves it. Fact 5. Yes, you can eat lavender, but only certain types. Use the wrong one and your cookies will taste like a bubble bath. Fact 6. Bees can't get enough of it. Lavender is a pollinator paradise, and the honey is a chef's kiss. Fact number 7. When you harvest changes everything. Early buds give off a soft scent. The full bloom, deep punchy oils. Timing is everything with lavender. Number 8. It takes over 150 pounds of lavender to make just 1 ounce of oil. That's why the good stuff isn't cheap. Fact 9. And here's why you should always hang lavender upside down. It helps the stems dry straight, prevents mold, and keeps the fragrance in the buds where it belongs. So lavender isn't just pretty, it's ancient, powerful, and a little bit mysterious. So the next time you sniff a bloom, just remember, there's more to lavender than meets the nose. Subscribe for more gardening tips, and have a great day.